Alright, so we're just having dinner here that the lovely QTPA committee put on for us. I think we got some pork here. It's definitely pork, some crackling. Pork is immaculate, I must say. 9.5 out of 10 for the pork. The crackling, beautiful. Tomato sauce, barbecue sauce. Little, what would I call this? A little, some rabbit food just on the side here. Just you know, some fans walking around just laughing and stuff, but and then we got sorry, I just had to have a bite. I don't know what this is, but pumpkin, coconut.